In this video, I'm going to reveal a ChatGPT moneymaker, a guy who's earning crazy money using only ChatGPT and it costs him $0. I'm going to show you his secret and how he's making all that cash without any investment. Now, you might be thinking, does this really work? Okay, don't worry. Just go to Etsy and search for ChatGPT prompt. You'll see the results yourself and then you'll realize if someone is really making money off of it, why can't you? Let's break down his work so we can do exactly what he did but in our own way. First, we need the idea. And this is very simple. He created 1000 ChatGPT personal development productivity prompts for business success. But we're going to go bigger. We'll create 2000 ChatGPT personal development productivity prompts for business success. Haha, bonus, people value quantity. Now, on to the second part, which is super easy. We're going to ChatGPT wing it the perfect prompt, which I've already created for you. Create a complete book with 2000 personal development productivity prompts for business success. I want to create a comprehensive book with 2000 personal development and productivity prompts focused on achieving business success. This book should cover essential topics for self-growth and productivity in business, helping readers develop the right mindset, habits, and strategies for success. Break the book down into detailed sections. And that's it. ChatGPT will create the book for you with just a simple click. All you have to do is say next part when it finishes. Next, we'll make a soft copy using free tools like Google Docs. So I opened a new doc and pasted the prompts in. Now we'll need a niche cover image that screams business. For that, we'll use ChatGPT and boom, game over. Time to list it on Etsy. You know the rest of the steps. Download the doc as a PDF and list it on Etsy. Now tell me, is this really hard to start? It's all up to you. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.